Hello, what's up? Look at this boy, or maybe girl. Another one I found. I came back from the city from the classes, but I somehow attract pigeons, but I don't think he's not in the good shape. Not in the good shape. His paw is greenish, watery. He can't or don't want to eat wheat, no food. He's big, stiff and kinda gray. Yeah. I open his mouth, but there are no visible spots, green or white, dark spots. No spots at all. And also he's very frail, very skinny. He's for 100 sick, but what? I don't know.